I remember watching a massive digital asset listing a while back. Everyone on social media was screaming to the moon, throwing their life savings as a screen. But behind the scenes, the early whales, the guys who got in a year ago, were quietly unloading their bags into regular retailer investors. Right now, looking at the massive, unprecedented hype around the upcoming SpaceX, OpenAI, and Anthropic IPOs. I'm seeing that exact same playbook being written all over again. You may feel like this is a one in a lifetime chance to get rich. But what if you are actually being set up to foot the bills? Welcome back to Letter of Finance. I'm Mohammed, and my number one priority on this channel is protecting your capital and help you actually build wealth, not just gamble it away on a hype. Today, we are breaking down the reality of mega IPOs. We are going to look at the cold, hard numbers behind the 2 trillion SpaceX valuation, why the smartest money is looking for an exit, and exactly how you can play this actually come out on a top. Look, the numbers we are dealing with right now are staggering. We are way past the era of getting in on the ground floor of promising tech startups. By the time SpaceX goes public this June, it's expected to carry a valuation around the $2 trillion, rising a record $75 billion. To put that in perspective, they will be trading at regularly 93 times their trading sales. Let me translate that from Wall Street jargon into plain English. Imagine your friend wants to sell you his local coffee shop. The shop does $100,000 a year in sales, but your friend is asking for $9.3 million to buy it. For that to make financial sense, that coffee shop needs to basically take over the entire city. That is the premium you are paying for SpaceX and day one. And it's not just Elon Musk. The AI giants are leaning up right behind him. OpenAI recently secured a $122 billion valuation, and Anthropic is feeding proposals valuing them up to $900 billion. The hype is real. SpaceX owns the orbital launch markets. Starlink is printing money with 63% profit margins, and they're Eve talking about orbital AI data centers in space. It sounds like science fictions, and it's incredibly existing. But here were my experience in the tech and digital asset markets sense of massive alarm bells. I've spent years analyzing market behaviors, tracking hash rates, and studying automated AI systems. In those spaces, just like in Wall Street, when a massive project finally hits the public market at the peak valuation, it's usually not for your benefit. Thanks to regulatory changes a decade ago, these companies have stayed private for way longer than they used to. They've sucked up round after round of private funding from venture capitalists and high net worth individuals. Early investors bagged into SpaceX when it was worth massively $13.5 billion back in 2018. They are sitting on astronomical giants. So why go public now? Because those private investors need to cash out. They are legally and financially pressured to show returns. And to sell billions of dollars worth of stocks, they need someone to buy it. That's where you came in. There's a phase in trading. You are the exit liquidity. retail investors, regular people driven by FOMO, are accepted to rush in and buy up the stock at inflated price, allowing the investors to walk away rich. Even massive index funds may be forced to buy in early due to new rule changes, facilitating an enormous wealth transfer from the public back to the private insiders. I know the urge to hit buy on day one will be overwhelming. Your friends will be talking about it. The news won't shut up about it, but historical data is crystal clear. The largest US IPOs historically underperform. Out of 63 US companies that went public with a valuation over $15 billion, only 9 have beaten the S&P 500 from their first day closing price. When you buy a mega IPO on day one, you aren't buying the company's fundamentals. You are buying pure, concentrated volatility. There are going to be massive unlock periods over the first 6 months where insiders are suddenly allowed to dump their shares, flooding the market and diving to price down. So what the smart secure play? Patient. Let the hype die down. Let the billion-dollar institutions fight it out and let the insiders take their profits. Give it 6 months to a year. Let's see same real quietly earning reports. If you want proof, look at Meta, formerly Facebook. If you budget Meta on its first day of trading, today you'll be up a very respectable 1,474%. But if you had just waited out the chaos and budgeted 6 months after the IPO, you'd be sitting on giants of our 2,454%. My goal here isn't to scare you away from incredible tech companies. It's to give you the confidence to invest on your terms, not theirs. Keep your cash safe, dollar cost average into your diversified portfolio, and save some dry powder for when the dust settles. If this kind of grounded data-driven strategy help you feel more secure about your money, hit that subscribe button. We don't chase hype here. We build real wealth step by step. And if you want to know exactly how to protect your portfolio from market crashes while you are waiting for these big opportunities, click the video on your screen right now. Stay smart, stay patient, and see you next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next